Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back. This is Mondo. I'm currently at Jacob's from TSR Speed. He did some goodies to his GTO, so I had to come in, do some base tuning on it, get it ready to drive so he can take it to work, drive it around, make sure everything's mechanically sound. You'll be seeing really shortly what he did to his GTO. Should be pretty fun. I was out of town the last 3 days. I did try to remotely tune it. I did a base tune on it. It was decent enough to get it started, but the car was running really lean. It was my mistake actually. He did go through it mechanically, make sure everything was right. We checked fuel pressure, we checked fuel injectors, we checked everything we could possibly think of. Turns out he did tell me it was an LS7 MAF sensor. I accidentally corrected for his stock LS2 MAF after we went with the bigger intake tube. So check it out guys. So this is his current setup right now. This is the part that was giving me issues. We did upgrade to a card style MAF. Obviously, we did go with a 5-inch so we could get a little bit more out of the MAF sensor. We will do a speed density MAF combination to run this car. We're going to probably test it out both on the dyno, see how it likes it more, get a better drivability out of it. But I am actually really excited to get it back on the dyno. It does have an NA cam, so I'm going to try and make it work the best I can, see how much we can get out of it. Should be pretty fun. Jacob's going to pull up any minute now. He's bringing in the GTO. We're going to go through it. He says he has a boost leak somewhere, so we're going to check it out. I'm going to strap it down on the dyno, do some pulls, try and diagnose where the boost leak is coming from, and hopefully we can dial it in by the end of the day. Well guys, unfortunately we ran into some issues with Jacob's car still. We couldn't figure out the boost leak. We checked the bypass valve, we checked for vacuum leaks, we checked all the gaskets. At this point we determined it's belt slip. I'm going over the dyno chart right now. It does seem like it could be because air fuel ratios, they went a little bit rich. And then power and torque are just fluctuating a lot. I'm going to show you right now what it looks like. So right here, the car peaked at 5.5 pounds, which is what we saw at most foot pounds, but you can already see it's starting to fluctuate like this. Air fuel ratios did the same thing, so air is going in and out. Boost just continuously fell all the way down to 3 pounds. So car fortunately was running extremely lean. We're looking around 10.8, 10.9. My bad, extremely rich. We're looking at 10.8, 10.9. It actually even dipped way below that in this area. So yes, we determined it is belt slip. He's getting a new tensioner on Friday. We should install it, so if I don't see the car back on Friday, I will hopefully see it back on Monday. The smoke you guys were seeing coming out of Jacob's car, don't be too alarmed. Part of it was running a little bit rich, not too bad. The other part is his tires are rubbing against his quarter panels. We tried rolling them as much as we could. Unfortunately, the way the offset and those cars, they're pretty much trash. It's really hard to fit this tire on it. This tire is a little bit too big for the car. And we're trying to make it work. We put a jack to keep it from rubbing, but it will still rub, and that's the smoke you guys are seeing. So that's pretty much it, guys. Stay tuned for next video. Should be posting one of Esteban's truck. So it's supercharged F-150. So see you next time.